Oh, maybe that wasn't a good idea.
Hello everyone. So today I am going to make an off version of masala chai. So Cathy's version of chai latte. Please, people, do not hate me for this. So I am going to start by crushing black peppercorn, some cloves, and some cardamom, and some allspice that I have. So pull out the cloves. I'm going to do about 2 cloves. I'm going to do about 3 little peppercorns. Ooh, it's starting to smell real nice. And then about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I'm also crushing cinnamon too. Sorry guys. So 8 pieces of cardamom. Ah! There goes my allspice.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
And then 2 little bobbies of googly bobs of allspice.
You what?
And then 1 whole piece of cinnamon stick. I am going to crush this, and it's going to take a long time probably, and we're going to hope for the best. I'm guessing you want me to pause now because we're going to do a close-up so you guys can see me do all this magical stuff.
Dang, this stuff smells real good. Am I supposed to pull this out? I'm gonna go with a yes. Sure. I'm sorry, camera lady. Doing your forearm. So make sure you take out the skin of the cardamom if you guys do decide to use whole cardamom. Oh, Jesus. Beat them up real quick. I think I'm gonna pull out like half of it. Too much cinnamon, guys. I apologize.
Okay, I have grinded up my black peppercorn, my cloves, my cardamom, and my allspice. And cinnamon, of course. It smells wonderful in here, just so you know. And now I'm gonna put about a teaspoon, yeah, that's about a teaspoon of ginger. I'm gonna put probably half a teaspoon of a little bit of nutmeg, you know, all the fall spices in here. And then, I'm just gonna put the brown sugar in there too. I'm gonna put a little bit. This is Cathy's version of it, so I like brown sugar. I'm not sure if y'all have noticed. But yeah, I am gonna do about a teaspoon. Throw that in there. Bam. Now, I am gonna make some black tea and put some tea powder in it. So let me start doing that. Grab my kettle.
When you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Grab my kettle. It's about 135 grams of water. So it's probably like half a cup of water, or half a cup, yeah. It's supposed to be for half E, 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Gonna grab my black tea. And, ooh, which one's open? Can't tell. I'm using loose leaf tea, but totally up to your choice. And I'm gonna put, ooh, if I could grab it and not make all the noise in the world, crunch, crunch. 1 and 2 tablespoons of black tea. crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh, and then I'm gonna put in some tea powder. I got this from a really good friend, Abby. If you're out there watching, you're great.
Got you, homie.
So 2 tablespoons and then a teaspoon. Yeah, just throw you in there. Why not? Put that boy in here. Okay, now I'm gonna boil that. Now that that's done, I am gonna let the tea steep for about 4 minutes. Okay, I think I made too much powder, which is whatever. So I'm gonna put about half of it, because this is about half. So I'm gonna put that, and then I am using oat milk. Oat milk. Pour that oat milk in there. That oat milk right. And then I'm gonna just, let that settle. Have some fun with it or something. I don't know, man. Okay, and that's about it. So I steamed oat milk with the powder that I made, and then I poured the milk with the black tea and tea powder mixture. And yeah, that is how we make chai, or my version of chai, so you guys don't kill me. So I hope you guys are having a good week. I hope you guys are doing well, and until next time. I realized I put this in the wrong cup. Womp. Oh god, I might sneeze. Okay. No? Yes? Yeah, good to see you guys.
This is a dense bit.
So Bottomless is a coffee subscription, and the way they do it is they have a pretty cool scale. Yeah, look at this cool scale. And you put your coffee on top of the scale. Thank you, Polite Coffee. Shameless plugging, Polite. So yeah, you put coffee, scale. Scale tells your phone, this is how much coffee you have. I ran out of coffee. Oh, cool. Well then, Bottomless will be like, hey, you are running out of coffee. Do you want more or not? And then you get to decide. Super simple. I really like them. They are super personable and cool and nice. And yeah, my sponsor, Bottomless. They're amazing. They're great. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys.